So Alex, we're in the facility for tungsten carbide manufacturing. What's taking place behind us?
Yeah, as you said, we're at Hornhardstoffe, where we produce our carbide blanks, as well as our own carbide powder. Behind us is one of our powder pressing machines. These can produce a number of our range, from minis such as 108s, right through to 312s. So I actually have some blanks here. As you can see here, we have a blank from pre-sintering and a blank from post-sintering. There's around a 20% calculated reduction during this process.
So this is the pressing. How else can you manufacture these?
Yeah, as well as the powder press, we have an isostatic press, injection molding, and extrusion methods.
And obviously this is state-of-the-art technology. Getting a blank, to a decent standard, it's vital, isn't it? If the blank's no good, obviously the part you're going to sell ultimately after it's ground and coated, that's going to be inferior as well.
Yeah, the quality of carbide and the quality of the blank is fundamental in the whole process. If you don't have a good blank, then you're not going to produce a good finished product. So we always ensure that everything is highly regulated and inspected. All metallurgy is recorded to ensure we can get the best performance from our tools.